Do you think that counselors in the community college setting are looked at in higher regard compared to high school counselors? I think that they are. I think that they are looked at in higher regard because they deal with a lot more of the social emotional issues than the school counselors. The school counselors typically tend to either seek out students that they see are needing a little bit more assistance, or maybe a little bit more one-on-one, or maybe the teachers are referring students that aren't doing so well just to kind of find out what's going on or what's affecting them, or there's been a change in the student, and so they want the counselor to see, what's been changing at home or at school. When it comes to community college, I think that it's reversed. I think the students are the ones that go up to the community school counselor and looks for different resources and looks for that assistance. I think that they deal more with the social emotional, and so they have to be well versed in therapy and issues like depression, anxiety, substance abuse, and so I think that because of that, they are looked at in a higher regard than the school counselors. I think school counselors maybe aren't looked at in that way because they are dealing with minors, with younger kids. They're focusing a lot more on career and vocational, getting them off to college, not necessarily social emotional. As I've learned throughout the program, that's not something that we're really going to be focusing on. And so I think that because of that, the community school counselors are looked at in a higher regard. That wasn't the first thing that came to my mind. I thought no, just because I felt like, I don't know, community school counselors might be in the same kind of age range as their students. And so all they really do is maybe, try to help with transferring them out and making sure they're taking the classes they're supposed to. I didn't really think about that social emotional aspect of it until I did a little bit of research just to see a little bit more of what they do. And so now, yeah, I definitely do agree with that they are seen in a higher regard than school counselors.